Hey guys, welcome back to another video with legit Colleen. So today I'm going to show you how to speed up your TikToks, because sometimes these story times be real good, real juicy and intriguing, but too damn long. So I'm going to show you how to speed them up. This is the new feature TikTok brought, and usually in the top corner over here it would show an icon for you to speed it up. But I noticed it only came on videos on the FYP. But then I discovered a new way. So I'm gonna play the TikTok so you can hear how he's talking.
Bro, like Facebook that year was in a frenzy, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
And then you're gonna hold on the screen. Here you see playback speed, so that's gonna speed it up. Then you can change it to be slower, or 0.5, 1.5, 2x. That's the fastest speed. 2.x. I'm going to put on 2.x so then we can hear how fast he speaks.
You gonna lie to your mom about kidnap, you feel me, with your boyfriend? Whole time, he probably your cousin alone.
And that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment for more tutorials. And please subscribe, turn notifications on. Follow my TikTok and Instagram while you're at it. And let's stay in touch. Love you all.